Credit scores play a huge role in our financial lives, affecting everything from loan approvals to renting an apartment. Many people face challenges with their credit due to old debts, reporting errors, or simply not understanding what's on their credit report. But here's the good news: everyone has rights under the law to review and improve their credit. In this video, we'll walk you through the essentials of credit repair, why it matters, and how Brazoria County Credit Service Organization (BCCSO) can help you take control of your financial future. Before you can improve your credit, it's important to know your rights. Under laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the right to review your credit report and dispute any information that's inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or can't be verified. If a creditor or reporting agency can't prove an item is correct within a reasonable timeframe, usually 30 days, it must be removed from your report. This legal protection is the foundation of effective credit repair and gives you the power to challenge mistakes that could be holding your score back. Any credit reports contain errors, duplicates, or items that can't be verified. These mistakes can drag down your score and make it harder to get approved for credit. That's why it's so important to review your report regularly. By identifying these issues early, you can take steps to correct them and start improving your credit. BCCSO specializes in finding these problem areas and using the law to get them removed, giving you a cleaner, more accurate credit profile. First step in the BCCSO process is a free credit review and analysis. We look at your credit report just like a lender would, carefully examining every detail. This helps us spot negative items, potential errors, and anything that doesn't meet legal or verification standards. By understanding exactly what's on your report, we can create a personalized plan to address the issues holding your score back. Once we've identified the problem items, BCCSO prepares strategic dispute letters and documentation. Each challenge is tailored to the specific issue, whether it's an error, a duplicate, or something that can't be verified. We make sure every letter is clear, accurate, and backed by the law. This approach increases the chances that negative items will be removed, helping your credit score recover faster. When a dispute is filed, credit bureaus and creditors are required by law to investigate. If they can't verify the information within about 30 days, they must remove it from your report. This process is powerful because many negative items are outdated or can't be properly verified. By using your legal rights, you can clear away obstacles and start building a stronger credit history. Proving your credit isn't just about removing negative items, it's also about learning how to build and maintain good credit habits. BCCSO provides ongoing education to help you understand how credit works, what actions help or hurt your score, and how to make smart financial decisions going forward. This knowledge empowers you to keep your credit healthy long after the repair process is complete. While BCCSO handles the technical side of disputes and documentation, your participation is key. Providing accurate information, responding to requests, and staying engaged in the process all help ensure the best results. Together, we can work toward a cleaner credit report and a brighter financial future. Proving your credit is a journey, but with the right knowledge and support, it's absolutely possible. By understanding your rights, reviewing your credit, and working with experts like BCCSO, you can overcome past mistakes and build a stronger financial foundation. Take the first step today: review your credit, know your rights, and start your path to better credit health.